Do you struggle with any of these? I can't get the right entry. As soon as I enter the trade, it reverses on me. I don't know where to put my stop. I don't know where to put my profit target. I don't know which market is best to trade. I'm not sure what time frame to use. Do you struggle with all of these? Is this where you're having issues with trading? With Spy Money, we give the trading secrets. And the trading secrets are 4 steps to trade. There's only 4. If you can learn these 4 things, you will be a better trader. It's very simple. You got to know where to take profit using levels. So if you know where to take profit, then you know if you can make money. So when you look at your levels, you're going to know, do I have enough room to take profit? You have to know where to take profit before you enter a trade. You have to know the trend. Am I going to go long or am I going to go short? You have to know some sort of a trend, have some sort of filtering in there to where it will help you know, should I be taking this long or should I be taking this short? You have to know where to enter a trade. Every signal that shows up on your chart is not an entry. You have to know where to take profit, and you have to know the trend. You have to know, should I be taking this short or taking that long on your entry indicator? And then you have to know where to put your stop. A lot of traders will go in and they'll put their stop and they have like a predetermined stop. Well, a predetermined stop is not necessarily the best. Your stop should be based on what the market is showing you at that time. A lot of people will trade on different things like ATR and things like that. And that's not necessarily the best way to do it. But you have to know, where are you going to put it? What we do is we do a typical 1.5 times the bar size, but then we adjust it according to the market. So how do we do all this? And as far as in real-time trading, what do we do to make things a little bit better to where it's easier to go ahead and enter a trade? This is what we do. So this is live trading right here. This is the trades that I made this morning. As you can see right now, this is current. It is moving. Today is May the 1st. It's 9:10 in the morning Eastern time, and I'm already done for the day. I try to make at least $1,000 a day. And I do base hits. And the way I do my base hits is I just go for a predetermined amount of money, and if I've got room to get that profit before the level, then I take it. So you see these lines on here. This may look like a lot of stuff on here, but it's very simple to understand. These lines are levels. So we have to know these lines, where they are, in order to know, do we have room to take profit? And when we're entering the trade, we have to know what direction to go. Are we going to be taking shorts or are we going to be taking longs? If you just look at these bars, they're red and green and yellow. So the yellow means don't trade. The red means take shorts. The green means take longs. But we have to know our trend for that. So we use this background. You have green is long, red is short. And that is our trend indicator in order to know, should we be taking longs or shorts? Right here is a red one, but we didn't take it because it's a green background. Yeah, we also had a level here. So we have to watch those levels. So let's start from the first one. This one right here, we had a green background, but we had our level, and we went up, and then we went up again and made this lower high, and it was off of that level. So I have another confluence strategy that I won't share here, but I share it with our Spy Money Strategies group. And they all know why I took this short right here. And when you know that other confluence, it'll help you know, once you have these levels, you have the double top on the level, and then you can take this trade right here. So only thing I was doing today was going for base hits. I'm going for $200 a trade. That's 40 ticks. If you can make 40 ticks on ES or NQ and do it consistently like this, then you can trade 2 contracts or 3 contracts or 4 contracts. Figure out what your daily goal is. Most traders make between $200 and $300, or I'm not sorry, most Americans make between $200 and $300 a day. So $300 a day is roughly what? What is that? About $25 an hour. So with it being about $25 an hour, that's about $200. And yeah, it depends on what you make. Well, figure it up. This right here is what one person makes, and I did this from 7:03 and 2 seconds to 7:05 and 14 seconds. Most people work 8 hours to make this much money, and I did it in a minute. Just no time, a minute or two. And if you can do that and just set your goals to where they're obtainable, a lot of people want to go ahead and get in here and then take it all the way to this level down here. Well, it didn't work out, did it? It came all the way down to here and then bounced. So just look for your base hits on here. And then we come over here and we look at this one. Here's another one. We entered right off of the red bar. We come off of this up here and we come down, and I took profit $10 sooner. So I took $190 instead of $200 because we're on this level. And this is a level we don't really pay attention to too much, but we keep it on there just to kind of monitor. And when we come down and it pulled up, I didn't like it how it was hesitating, so I just went ahead and took the profit. I don't have to have the full $200. So I went ahead and took the profit. And then I waited. Right here, we had a level there, so we don't take it. Remember, you can't, if you don't have enough room between that and your level, don't take it unless there's other circumstances, like this one here. I entered this trade actually a little bit late, but I entered it because my confluence of my other strategy showed me that this was going to be good, and we had our levels right up here. So I really felt that this was going to be a good one. Worst case scenario is if I went up, I would get my stop here and I'd take a smaller base hit. If you just get little base hits all day, at the end of the day, you're going to have quite a bit of money. This one over here, I ended up entering 2 contracts. You remember when I said start off with one, you get consistent with it, start adding to your contracts. So I wanted to make $1,000 today. That was my goal. And this right here, with the other confluence strategy that I had, showed that this was going to be a really good one, and I had all of these up here. I could have moved my take profit up there, and that would have got me $385 for one trade. But I didn't. I kept it right here. I went up, I got my $200 on each trade, and I let it take out. And $1,000. So $1,000 a day is $250,000 a year. If you can make $1,000 a day, it's $250,000 a year. Now, if you have this copy traded to other accounts like Tradeify, that's who we recommend. Use SPY Money for the coupon code that get the best deals. But we have other prop accounts that we recommend as well on our website. Go to spymoneyllc.com, take a look at it. You'll see the different ones on there. Use SPY Money coupon code, and you'll get the best deal across all of them. But with this, you're going to do very well if you follow the rules to it. And one, we don't trade into levels. This one here I did because of other reasons, which I would show you. Once you get signed up. This one over here, we don't take any of these trades here because of our levels, and we don't take any of these trades because of levels. Right now, we're waiting on this one to where it would go up and give us another signal to go long. But right now, it's just pretty much going sideways here, and we're not going to trade that right now. So those 4 steps is all you need, and you can use those 4 steps on your current strategy that you're using, or for better results, lease SPY Money bots or SPY Money strategies and bots, and you can do a lot better. Our retirement bot is winning every month. It's not had a losing month yet since November. So if you want to just turn on a bot, you can. This right here, you can use a bot to trade this very strategy right here. I personally like to manually trade it because I watch for more things. But a bot like right here would be an entry that you would get. Okay, this would be an entry that you could get. I should do it. I'm not going to do it. But this right here would be where you'd want to enter. And right here at 618 would be your take profit. So if this goes up and hits that, that would be your take profit. And the reason I didn't go ahead and jump in is because I can't see my other strategy, my other confluent strategy. I need to make sure that it is showing the same way before I can enter here. And if I could see it, then I would know whether to enter or not. But this one right here should be a good entry and make some money. But if you all have any questions, let me know. You can do that based on our website. If you go to our website, look at this, click on Lease Program at the top, right up here, and then scroll down, go through all this, and this will show like the bot profits and such. You can see it's just made $37,200 up until April 28th. So I got to add 2 more days in here. But if you scroll down, go through all this, there's a sign up form here. Each person that wants to join doesn't always get approved. If you're not a good fit, or after we talk and your expectations are a little bit different than what reality is, then maybe it don't work out for you. Not everybody can be a trader. And we're not looking to get every single person that wants to join. We're not that company. We want to interview you, make sure that you're a good fit for us and that we're a good fit for you. Also, that you understand what the expectations are of the market as far as our program and such, and before you pay any money. And if anything, this should make you feel more comfortable knowing that you get to talk to me to find out more questions answered and so forth, and just make sure that everything's kosher for you. So get us a call, let us know. We'll get you started today. We can get you started today. You can go through everything, getting everything set up. It usually takes a few hours to get the platform and everything set up and do very well. And right there, we go ahead and look. See, that was an entry right there, and there's your $200. So that was a good trade. If you had been using our strategy and had this bot or had the strategy turned on, you would be another $200. So I should have entered that, but I couldn't see my other confluence. But anyway, have a great day. Need anything at all, let me know. Send me an email on the contact page. We can get you started today and get you hopefully to where you can be our Spy Money Trader of the Week. We give out one every week, and maybe you can be the next one. Enjoy. Have a good weekend.